I'm Angie, the founder of Diamond Art Club. Let me show you around. This is the Diamond Art Club factory where our diamond artworks are created. Here, quality and care go hand in hand. We begin with high-quality resin sourced directly from Germany, then expertly mixed with our signature blend of pigments to produce an incredible range of colored drills. Our diamond silicone molds are crafted from high-carbon material, and our cutting-edge casting machines fill each mold with precision. After casting, the sheets are baked to produce our signature radiant drills, which are screened to ensure only the finest diamonds are selected for our products. And when it comes to drill variety and availability, with an extensive inventory boasting nearly 700 vibrant colors and weighing almost 300 tons, we're always ready to meet your artistic needs. Our skilled color experts work with the International DMC and Pantone color guides to continuously refine and innovate, ensuring every hue in our diamond paintings captures the artist's vision with impeccable accuracy. Each canvas undergoes a stringent process to ensure it too is properly prepared and ready to showcase every brilliant diamond. Our canvases are carefully finished with tidily shaped edges, making each piece as functional as it is unique. Rows upon rows of these stunning canvases line our shelves, organized and awaiting their corresponding diamond packets. At the heart of Diamond Art Club is our diverse team of seasoned designers from around the globe. They inspect every detail of an image, selecting the perfect diamond color to bring our exquisite designs to life. Those designs are printed using only the best advanced Epson industrial printers from Japan, renowned for their high quality and impeccable color accuracy. Every symbol corresponding to a diamond is crisply and clearly printed. And our dedicated print technicians go the extra mile, routinely checking to ensure top-notch symbol clarity and accuracy in color. Using internationally approved eco-friendly adhesive, our skilled team manually applies glue to each canvas, ensuring even and generous coverage. Our state-of-the-art diamond packaging machines are designed to perfectly match diamonds to their corresponding painting. With our packaging machines' innovative, intelligent control systems, we can ensure we always supply 20% more diamonds per color than required, while maintaining a minuscule margin of error. After all, for us, quality control is top priority. Every packaged set of diamonds is carefully weighed. Any deviations from our strict standards, and the batch is set aside. Finally, at the end of this rigorous process, the canvas and diamonds come together, rolled and ready for our artists at home. Each diamond painting is sealed, boxed, and labeled before undergoing a final quality check to ensure they reach our customers in pristine condition. And off they go. Our diamond painting kits are ready to begin their journey to our partnered fulfillment center in Texas. Here, they'll be carefully sorted and stored until they're ready to start the last leg of their journey, making their way at last to our valued customers. At Diamond Art Club, our mission is to always deliver unique, carefully crafted and considered diamond paintings to you, our valued community of artists.
We've sold millions of kits serving hundreds of thousands of customers worldwide, and we've only just begun. So stick with us, there's much more to come.